Dreamling Studios. Today we're making Rocky Road biscuits. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 20 grams of butter, 180 to 250 grams of plain milk chocolate, 100 grams of marshmallows, and 3 to 4 cups of rice snaps. Start by adding 20 grams of butter to a glass bowl. Then add your chocolate. After that, you want to get it melted. I find the microwave is the easiest. Just be careful not to burn the chocolate while melting it. Once it's melted, add the rice snaps, around 3 to 4 cups. Then slowly mix it in until it's all covered with the chocolate. Then you want to fold in the marshmallows. Once everything is covered, it's ready to be put in a serving bowl. I recommend using some baking paper to prevent sticking. Once it's all in, you want to put it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. You can then take it out and cut the biscuits into pieces. Once that's done, it's ready to serve and eat.